Hi guys! I don't know how it is at your part of the world, but here it's really fall. The leaves are falling down, the rain is falling down, so it's really time to get your favorite sweaters and your favorite cardigans out of the closet, away with the summer stuff, and get the hooks and your yarn out. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to make your favorite wearable fit correctly. I have a lot of people come up to me and say, hey, how do you get your wearables fit so perfectly? Well, it's not that difficult. What you do is you get your favorite sweater out. I got mine out right here. And you start measuring up how to make it fit you just perfectly. It also goes for the cardigans. Same principle. In this little tutorial, I will show you how to make your wearable fit custom made, just to your size. All you have to do is get your hooks out, get your favorite yarn out, get your favorite sweater out, get your favorite cardigan out, and let's get to it. Okay, so this is the favorite sweater I was telling you about, and I've made the back panel right here just to see if it fits, and we're gonna be kneading the seam to get the right width for my favorite sweater. Well, obviously I don't have enough right here, so I need to get a couple of more rows done, and I will do that. So I'll be back in just a second with the correct width. There we go. Added a few rows, and this is the advantage of making your panels vertical, because that way all you have to do is just add rows to get the width that you need. Now if you wanted to make, this is a small, if you wanted to make an extra large, all you had to do is just keep adding till you have the width of your favorite sweater, and then it will fit you. So this is my back panel. I made it a little longer than this sweater is because I wanted to have a longer sweater, but this is the exact right width. Now we're going on to the sleeves. I made two sleeves. One sleeve I made with hardly any ribbing on the end, like this, see right here. And this sleeve right here, I made the sleeve shorter and the ribbing longer. Now, if you see, this sleeve is not tapered like the sleeve on this sweater right here, because I made just a rectangle. But what I did to get it smaller for the wrist is I just skipped sizes, stitches right here. So you will have it tapered at the wrist like this, and it will fit just perfectly. So you can make up your mind what you want to do. I like it with a bigger ribbing on it. I think that looks kind of neat. So two sleeves. You have your back panel, your front panel. In this case, I made the same front panel as the back panel. You sew it all together, and then you have your sweater. Just like that, it fits perfectly. So we just did the sweater, and now I'm going to show you how to do the cardigan. Same principle. This is a cardigan that I finished. This is your back panel. I took one of my favorite jackets, and it's approximately the same size because I wanted this cardigan to kind of loosely fit. This is the back panel. What I did is just from seam to seam, made my stitches, made the whole back panel, and that's it. That's all there is to it. Okay, so we have our cardigan back. The back panel, we just showed how to do it, and the front panel is basically the same thing. You have your fronts, two pieces, and you just crochet your front right here like this, and make sure your stitches line up to the seam of your jacket like this. Then you sew your front to your back, and you do the other side as well, and then you go for the sleeves. Same principle. Okay, all we have left now is our sleeves. Same principle, just like how you did the seam from the seam on your back panel and the seam from the seam on your front panels. You do seam to seam of your sleeve, and look, it fits just perfectly on here too. Now, after you've done your two sleeves, your two front panels and your back panel, you sew everything together, and then you have your beautiful cardigan just like you wanted and just to fit perfectly. Now, if you're not real sure about how to put your sweater or cardigan together, please watch my YouTube on how to assemble a sweater or cardigan. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your comments in the comment box below, and I'll see you at my next video. Have a nice day.